As of October 1st, 2025, the Colorado State Land Board has a new customer portal. Whether you're an existing customer or a new customer, you will need to start by creating a new portal account. You can do that under the main menu of How Can We Help by selecting Manage, Register an Account, and then Register as a new user. Start the form, and you will be provided a space to provide the required information. Under Company Information, if you are an existing customer, you will type in your company name, email, phone, and address. In this example, my company name is Bill Test LLC. I've pre-filled the email, phone number, and the address. Are you authorized to conduct business on behalf of your company with the State Land Board is a question that you must provide a yes answer to in order to proceed. Now, in this example, I'm going into the contact information. My name is Ann Agent, and I work on behalf of Bill Test LLC, which is my company. But here is where I put my personal information as the person requesting access to the portal. So I put in my name, contact email, phone number, and my contact mailing address, and select Next. At this point, you will have the opportunity to review the information that you provided. If you see anywhere where updates need to be made, you can use the left navigation menu to go back to the place where an update needs to be made, and then go back to the review screen. You can also accomplish that by selecting the previous button. So I'm going to submit and then confirm my submission. And that's the first part. I'll close here. Next, you'll need to establish your login credentials. That's the password that you'll use to log into the portal in subsequent visits. And we'll review that next.